Hey folks, Sean here from Tobacco World. We had a great day in the shop today. We're closing up, we're coming up on 8 o'clock, and we're going down to 0 hour. What a fantastic day today. We've sold a ton of sticks. We sold a locker for a gentleman to come up here to have his own private locker. We sold lighters, we sold humidors, we sold cutters. People are coming here and they're finding exactly what they want. They're finding the cigars that they want. They're finding cigars that they never thought they could find. They're finding what they want. And that's everything that we are here at Tobacco World. When you come in that door, we look for every possible way to make you happy. So, what a great way to close out the day here at the Cigar Superstore, Tobacco World. Don't count us out. Don't forget about us. We're not going anywhere, guys. The Cigar Superstore. They call us that for a reason. Have a fantastic day. God bless, and I look forward to seeing you out here soon. Take care.